We are currently hiring for COBOL developer for our software development team here at Group Health Cooperative Eau Claire. COBOL is a programming language that's been around for a really long time. We have a homegrown adjudication system here that is mainly programmed in COBOL.
We've got problems that we need to resolve, or there's new development as well that might take longer, but a lot of our work is really resolving issues.
We're looking for someone who has good attention to detail, is a team player, but can work with minimal supervision. We don't micromanage here, we're very flexible. Sometimes there's a job out there or a program that they're working on and they find out that it might take a little more time than what we had originally estimated, and that's perfectly fine.
Internal clients are very appreciative of what we do for them, whether it's resolving their issues, new development, or just helping explain some of our processes.
You get that really great feeling of accomplishment that at the end of the day you can go home feeling like you did make a difference.
The role of the COBOL developer is to design, code, test, and analyze software programs. This includes researching, designing, documenting, and modifying software specifications throughout the production lifecycle. To apply, go to group-health.com, click on Careers, then scroll down to Current Openings.